Okay, 450 bikes have already started, and now we're getting ready for the incredible Formula 3 bikes. Remember, this is a money race. Remember, money races for all the Formula bikes this year. And boy, one Formula 3 rider has really got it on the gas early, got a great start, and has opened up a pretty big lead in Formula 3 on those 125cc bikes. Terrific scrap for the number one position, 186 and 16. We got Ken Furlong out in front, but right next to him was Don Warren, and that position may have swapped. Right now looks like Don Warren now has taken over the lead. Bike number 74 holding there in third spot. That's Kevin Skavanicki, right? Oh, I've destroyed this guy's name. I need to have somebody come up here and straighten me out on that guy's name again. He's doing an excellent job in third spot. Bike number 18 is going to be James Leo. We find him in fifth spot. 170, Jeff Brown right there in fourth spot. In sixth spot, bike number 70, and that was Dave McPherson. There's that bike that got such a great start in Formula 3, 144. That is Lance Thielman. Then comes Rye Hafley. And your past champion, Stephen Brousseau. And right behind them in fourth spot, Joe Paul. That's that battle in Formula 3. So already, Lance Thielman, with an excellent start, has got a great lead in Formula 3. Your battle for the overall lead coming down the front straightaway, and it's 16 now. It's Don Warren out in front. This time around, Kenneth Furlong's in second spot, and once again, Skavanicki holding down third. Down at turn number 3 on the outside of turn number 3. Okay, the overall lead's coming down here with a halfway flag, and it's still Don Warren, but it's just barely hanging on to that lead because Ken Furlong hanging right on his rear tire with Skavanicki holding down third spot, and Jeff Brown, 170 holding down fourth spot. All these riders on Yamahas. And fifth spot now coming down the start-finish straight, and that's 70, and that's Dave McPherson, and right behind him is bike number 18, James Leo. went down in turn number 3 is bike number 218. Is Ken Martin on a Suzuki. Ken Martin on the Suzuki went down. 144, Lance Thielman still holding on to that Formula 3 lead. Side here, both on yellow bikes, and they're coming up on some lap traffic, but it's Warren still leading. Furlong right on his rear tire. We're going to have to follow this to the end, it looks like, as it go around some lap traffic and head into turn number 2. Okay, your leader's coming out from the front straightaway, and Don Warren now finds himself in second spot. It's Furlong out in front, and watch now Warren pull right over. Warren takes over the lead just at the start-finish stripe. Boy, that would be too close to call if that was the checkered flag. We're going to have to watch these guys going all the way around. Warren out in front, Furlong in second as they head around turn number 1. Both riders on yellow Yamahas. Furlong in second spot in the white leathers. That's Don Warren in the black leathers as they head around turn number 2. So it's Warren and Furlong, and now look at Furlong pulls alongside, goes around him on the outside, between 2 and 3, and now Furlong's got the lead again. The Furlong in the white leathers now takes over the lead. Warren in the black leathers as they go up the hill for the last time. Warren tries to get him on the inside, but Furlong cuts his path off on the hill. 750 stock production and open stock production. The last race of the day, about a half a bike length. Great race. Amazingly enough, Warren had a lot of steam on him the last lap around and just whooshed right on by him. This time, they came on a 9 and it looked like Furlong had enough to hold on to him. Will finish third, and that was Kevin Scavanicki, and then came 170 Jeff Brown. Looks like 144 is going to take an easy Formula 3 win. Rye Hafley will finish second. Hafley coming on there toward the second part, but it looks like Lance Thielman will capture his first win of 1986 in Formula 3.